you to put a rush up on it like August. Get a ticket for me, I got it, that's ballin'. Texting on my ways, but you still stalling.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly and you already know the name Asia, and I'm back with another nail video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a Young Nails influencer package that I received for the month of August. And I'm just going to be showing you guys all the products that were inside of the box for this month. So what I'm showing you guys in the beginning is just a sticker and a thank you card that was at the top of everything. The next product that I just grabbed out of the box is called Swipe, and it's specially formulated to cleanse the nail plate and work as a pre-prep by both dehydrating and cleansing. Removes dust, contaminants, and oils from the nail before applying enhancements. Like it says on the box, I do use this as a pre-prep, so I use it after I prep my client's nails but before I apply the tips for my client. This product right here is just nail liquid, which will be the monomer that you use for your polymer. I also received this Imagination Art Blueberry Mint Mylar that's cut up in really tiny pieces that I can use as a nail art, which is super pretty. But that reminds me of like mermaids or something. I also received two Imagination Art glitters. One is from the Heavenly collection and it's Diamond Dust, and it's super pretty. It has like a avy tone to it. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's gorgeous. The next one that you guys will see coming up soon is from the Las Vegas collection, which is this orange one right here, and it is called Crush. It reminds me of like an orange soda. Maybe that's why they call it Crush. I don't know. Let me shut up. But it's super pretty. Look at this, guys. Bomb, okay? Period. This next product is Slick Pour a powder coat system. It is in the color Tart and Tangy. It's a fine color acrylic. It's a really cute pink. I'm excited to use it because I don't think I have a pink that is this color, so I'm going to see what I can create with it. This here is the Rose Oil by Young Nails. It deeply conditions and restores the cuticle and hyponychium, keeps the natural nail supple and prevents breaking, splitting, and chipping, and also prevents separation of the natural nail from gel and acrylic enhancements. It smells so good, you guys, too. I've used it on my clients already and I love it. It also comes with a mini dropper, which you will see right there, and I think that is so nice because you can prevent yourself from applying it straight to the client's, cuticles, so you don't have to touch their skin, which I feel is really sanitary. So I love that about this oil. So the clip for the next product got cut short. It's called Overdrive, and it's just a gel paint in the color black. This here is Young Nails Core Clear, which is an acrylic powder that you can basically use to do full clear nails, or you can use them to encapsulate your nail art that you do. So like the glitters that I showed you, you can encapsulate those, or the Blueberry Mint Mylar, you can use that, and this will just go as a top layer for it. These next few products that you'll be seeing are the Manicure Color Gel Polishes. This one is a gold metallic one. It's different than what I'm used to using, so I'm excited to see how it works. We also have a Manicure Color White 101 Gloss, which is the same gel polish, and I love this. I love the color white, so I'm sure I'm probably going to be using this on myself a lot. This drill bit right here is the Crosscut Carbide right-handed zirconium coated carbide bit, great for cutting in smile lines during back fills. So this is just a drill bit piece that goes for your e-file if you ladies use one, and I love it. It looks amazing. So this next product is a detailing art brush, which I can use for my Overdrive gel paint. Okay. got a little mixed up with my gel polishes, but this is the Go Time One Step Gel Polish, and this is in the color Keep the Goods. Super pretty, shimmery, metallic kind of color. This next one will be the same Go Time, and this one is Hug It Out. It is a cute nude color. Also, we have the Young Nails Stain Resistant Gel Top Coat. So I've been using this on my past few clients, and when I say I love it, I literally love it. Like, it does leave a little tacky layer, but that's barely anything that can be wiped off with a piece of tissue, but it is amazing. Literally amazing. So this right here is the Young Nails Protein Bond Non-Acid Adhesion. It's basically a dehydrator and a primer all in one. I've been using it lately on my clients and I love it too. Before this, I wasn't using any good primer, so I'm excited for that. Lastly, the lint-free nail wipes in 500 count self-disposing box, which I love because it makes it so handy. I don't have to keep, my wipes just out in the open. They're in the box and I can literally pull them out as I need them. Lint-free, love it. Been working amazing, so yeah. So that will conclude this video. This is just a look back at all the products that were sent to me. I'm super blessed and thankful for this opportunity. I just started nails at the beginning of this year and I've gotten so many opportunities and just so much, recognition for what I've been doing, and I actually really love it, and I'm just really super thankful. So big shout out to Young Nails, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for myself. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as follow my social media tags, which will be in the description box below. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.